Welcome back to the show. We all have limited amounts of hours in a day we can work, and if you're like most entrepreneurs, you want to achieve the most in that time. In this episode, we are going to go through 7 digital marketing strategies that are not only going to make your days more efficient, they will also give you huge benefits in the long run. My name is István Bújra, and this is the 47 Marketing Show that reveals smart tips and efficiency hacks for busy entrepreneurs to get more marketing done with less work and in less time. I'm going to go through the 7 digital marketing strategies in no particular order, but I will leave the best for last, the strategy that keeps making the biggest impact in your business every day. So make sure you stay till the end. And now let's jump into the list. Content repurposing. Publishing content consistently is more important than ever before for any businesses and entrepreneurs. The world has been going towards virtual and digital economy for a while, and the past 1-2 years accelerated that process a lot. If you look around for a minute, quite quickly you can realize there are many different platforms where you can publish, like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, podcast platforms, your blog, and so on. All of them are somewhat different, the ways you can post on them and the formats that you can use, like long videos, short videos, landscapes, square, portrait formats, audio, images, written contents in various lengths, and so on. Even just producing content for one platform and in one format can be a big challenge for entrepreneurs, and that's why content repurposing is such an amazing marketing strategy that helps to get more done in less time. Just imagine this: you record one video, and if you shoot a few photos, turn that into multiple short and long videos, multiply the images in various sizes and formats, turn the video into multiple written content, and so on. That way, with the effort of one video and a few photos, you can end up with 15, 20 or more content assets that are optimized for the various platforms and formats. This is how content repurposing can save you a lot of time while you can get more marketing done as well. Okay, the next digital marketing strategy on the list is the easiest and simplest one of all, and at the same time the quickest to start with, and it can have a huge impact on your business short and long term as well. And that strategy is get interviewed on a show. Think about shows hosted on YouTube, podcast platforms, and Facebook. You can reach out to 10, 20, 50 or more shows today and be on one of them in a couple of days without any big effort. And if you're wondering why would anybody interview you, simply because they want good content and you can give them that. At the beginning, you may not be able to get onto the bigger shows, but there are plenty of smaller ones with a good amount of consumers. Target the shows that already have your target audience who you can give value to, and it's worth getting in front of them. You will also see opportunities to return to the shows where your content was popular, and you can also leverage them as content and share it with your own audience. Over time, the door will open to the bigger shows as well, and if you get interviewed consistently, over time you will reach more and more people. Considering the efforts you need to put in and the rewards you can reap, it is one of the most efficient marketing strategies to grow your audience. Okay, the next on the list is interview experts. It is quite an efficient way to create new content for your audience and get some exposure to new audiences when the interview is promoted. If you feel you are not an expert in your area yet, then interviewing others is also a great way to learn from them and start earning your expert status through this process. It takes time to build your own show up, but each and every interview you publish will work for you 24/7, 365 days to keep building your audience even when you are doing other things. And over time, they will get to know you, like you, and trust you, which will help you to get more clients. Before we move on to the next on the list, click on the like button right now to support us to create more episodes just like this one. Thank you for your support, and now let's get back to the list. Summits. Either getting involved in a summit or organizing one is a great marketing strategy. Normally on a summit, there are 10, 20, 30 speakers and all of them promote the event. So when you get involved in one, it will help you to reach audiences you wouldn't be able to reach otherwise. Usually a summit goes down on specific dates, and the recorded summit is being used for further marketing. So you do your part once and it will keep getting you in front of people for a while. Can see why this is a great strategy to get more marketing done with less time and work. By organizing your own summit is more work from your side. It is a great and efficient marketing strategy. You do the summit once and you can use it for a long time as a digital product in a sales funnel, which can generate leads and income for you on autopilot. Okay, the next strategy on the list is do collaborations. Collaborate with another expert in your area to do webinars or Facebook Lives or digital products. It's a great way to cut the work and time in half and multiply the reach at the same time. Before we move on to the best digital marketing strategy on this list, the strategy that keeps making the biggest impact in our business, before that, let me share with you another efficient strategy, which is affiliate program. If you have a great offer you sell online, you can create a win-win affiliate program through which your affiliates can give something to their audience, like an amount or a percentage off or a bonus, and get commissions for themselves for every new customer they bring you. While building and managing an affiliate program requires effort from you, overall it can save you a lot of work and time on the marketing side. Okay, here's the best strategy on this list, the A.D.S efficiency framework. As I mentioned earlier, this is the strategy that keeps making the biggest impact in our business every day. The combination of automation, delegation, and systems. Automations are softwares that you can use to get certain tasks done on autopilot, from lead generation through email marketing and many other marketing and business activities. Delegation is passing activities onto your team who can help you to carry out tasks that can't be automated. And the systems are the guides that tell what, how, and when things have to happen in your business and marketing, especially when you are not there. With the combination of these three elements, besides your marketing can run much more efficiently, you can also completely replace yourself in your business, which is the ultimate way to get more done with a lot less of your own time and work. If you would like to learn more about how you can replace yourself, check out the links in the description to some other episodes of this show. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button, it helps the channel a bit, and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified of the future videos just like this one. Thank you for watching, see you in the next one.